In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, let's open the list of all apps, go to settings then, which are right here, then find and select system and click on date and time. And here you can smoothly switch off automatic time and pick date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can manage the time zone the same way, so smoothly switch off the automatic one and then pick the region and time zone by yourself right here. So as you can see, it is set up. You can go back and use those time zone, time and date. Then whenever you would like to go back to default setup, to automatic ones, just mark both switchers. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.